In this video, we will learn how to create a whiteboard animation drawing using Canva. First, we will go to Elements, and then we will search for some elements that can fit our drawing design. So I just typed some thinking business for some ideas and things like that. And then I just selected the one that I felt it's more accurate to like what I want to do. Then I add other elements that I think can fit my idea of design. And when everything's ready, I'll just go to Apps and then select the Speed Painter app. Just typing on the search, I will just go for it. Then when you open the app, just go to the page section and just select to export the page, and then you just have to go down a bit, change a little bit the settings to adapt what you're looking for, and when the settings are ready, just go down and sign to generate the animation. Then you will see that a pop-up appear, then you have to add your Gmail or email account, and that's really quick. You will just reach the login, and you will be logged to be able to get the animation. Once you have the animation ready, you just go and generate the animation. It can take a bit, don't worry. And when it's generated, you will see that it's just like really quick, and you can also download it as a MP4 or even as a gift in case you want kind of a really quick animation for your presentation or for sharing on any social media. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. I will keep you posted with the new updates regarding Canva or other graphic designer tools.